Hello, welcome back to Business Consulting. Today we have brought you another financial model. This one is Fitness Center Excel financial model. As you can see, it includes the input sheet, revenue analysis sheet, marketing budget sheet, startup summary, financial statements, financial analysis, CAC-CLV analysis, working sheet, as well as the dashboard. If you come to how to use, it includes the peach cells, which are the input cells, which indicates the input cells, means that they can be changed whenever you want or as you want. The gray cells includes the formulas, whereas the light gray fonts are the helping cells. Coming towards the input sheet, as you can see over here, the input sheet or assumption sheet includes all the assumptions relevant to the business. These include the funding assumptions, revenue and cost assumptions, customer and marketing assumptions, as well as capex and opex assumptions, and working capital assumptions. Coming towards the revenue analysis, it includes all the relevant information of the customers, and then calculates the total overall revenue of the business that is being earned in the next 5 years in form of annual basis and monthly basis. It also gives you the cost of service or cost of goods sold that are being incurred by the business. For an example, I will be changing the customers in the first month from 50 to, let's just say, 100. If you see over here, this have been changed from 50 to 100, and overall has also been changed. Then comes the marketing budget. The marketing budget basically tells you about the digital marketing cost that is being incurred by the business in the next 60 months. Then comes the startup summary. This tells you about the total fundings, total expenses, total assets, liabilities, and equity of the business in the first month. It also highlights the total additional funding that will be required in the first year of the business. Then comes the financial statements. The financial statements includes the net income of the business in form of annual, as you can see over here, and monthly, as you can see over here. It goes up to 60 months. And then comes the cash flow statement, which tells you about the cash flow from cash inflows and outflows of the business from its operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. It also tells you about the net cash balance of the business in next 5 years. Then comes the balance sheet. The balance sheet overall gives you the total assets of the business, its total liabilities, and total equities. Let me first change this value to 50, otherwise overall it might be affected. Yeah, that's better. As you can see, the net cash was coming in 100 millions, which wasn't that good in assumptions. Then coming towards the financial analysis. The financial analysis gives you the break-even analysis on the break-even. It includes break-even analysis, which gives you the break-even sales. Then comes the company valuation, which gives you the WACC, weighted average cost of capital, as well as the expected equity percentage that can be offered to the investors. It also includes the sensitivity analysis, which gives you the payback period of the company in 3 different scenarios that are actual, optimistic, and pessimistic, as you can see over here. Then comes the KPIs and ratios. The KPIs and ratios include the financial ratios that are profitability ratios, liquidity ratios, solvency ratios, and efficiency ratios. These are helpful in making financial decisions. Then comes the CAC and CLV analysis, which gives you the customer acquisition cost and customer lifetime value, and compares them both in form of ratio for 5 years that are being forecasted. Then comes the working sheet. The working sheet basically gives you the calculations for different information that is being used in the financial statements. This includes employee payroll, operating expenses, depreciation schedule, loan schedule, as well as the working capital. Then comes the dashboard. The dashboard basically gives you the information in graphical context all the relevant information, financial information, which can be used to make financial decisions accurately and as fastly as possible. It also gives you highlights the main KPIs of the business, which also makes helps the financial officers and CFOs in making financial decisions. That's it. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. Do like and subscribe.